Turn the Chanel, stole to a hang, got the bitch massage me. Turn my energy, I don't want candy.
Oh! That's mine? Look at this lemon title ass Alfa Romeo.
Oh, don't say that shit.
Lemon title. Lemon title.
Stop capping. Put the VIN number.
Turn the AC down a little bit. Oh, sorry guys.
We got this car for $15,000.
Oh shit, tornado. Y'all see that? There's a tornado. Oh shit!
If I left this open, bro,
You would have been messed up, bro.
fuck.
That text tone's fire, huh? Look, 1 of 350. Milano edition. Bro really brought me to the mall when it's packed this much. Look at
Sheesh.
We're gonna melt to just walking to the damn mall. We have to park so far away. Let's just go with this one. Look at that TRX, bro. Dang, look at that. That's crazy, bro. Look.
Oh, yeah.
That's kind of badass.
Show me the hip hop arena.
Oh, crap. GT4? Guys, look. Oh my god. A red GT4. That's actually crazy. Park over here. Look at this car, guys. It's a Giulia Quadrifoglio.
Dirty lemon.
It's a lemon title car, guys. What year is it?
2012.
Bro, that's not a 2012. You're dumb. Look, bro got into a little fender bender.
Some bitch came from bag and she goes,
Oh my god.
boom. You see this shit, bro?
Try to close it? Yeah, we don't close. Alright, let's go. Stop.
I should go.
But look at this. Dang. Bro, that red's so good. Bro, there's so many fucking cars here. Why are there so many people at the mall? Hi, Shiv? Why are there so many people at the mall?
Those are fire. How much was that?
Look, I would even get this one. Dang. These shirts are fire. Off-white shirts, look. No, you wouldn't do that?
No. I'm gonna say some shit like that. You better have some good wishes for us.
Bruh, you funny.
That's corny.
Oh, that one looks crazy right there.
And then any curtain? Man, oh, comfy. Oh.
Look, 30% off. Yeah. You ever seen like off-white pillows and like Hermes pillows and stuff?
Hey, blankets.
Yeah. Guys, it's so awkward vlogging in public.
For real.
Here's at the mall right now. Yeah. chamoy peach rings, bro. Low key gas.
I don't even know what about.
They're chamoy peach rings.
You should come up with candies. Some unique. Goes viral.
Like what?
Oh, like some unique, bro.
Yo, I gotta slow down. Put the car in sport mode. Hey, invest? That's a fire play.
His number plate said invest.
Hey!
Plastic carbon fiber with a white trim. White and black trim.
That's crazy, right?
My tire smells.
Oh!
That's mine?
No, that's his.
Cross? M3?
No, the...
My brakes are weak. Be careful. My tire smells. He's gone.
He's fucking crazy. We gotta take this exit anyways. He's actually crazy, bro. Bro, we were cutting up, bro.
He drives like crazier than Derek, basically.
No, dead ass. With that fast of a car? Bro.
The gap he made, bro. We would brake on that bitch. We got scared after we don't take any. He just took it, bro.
Damn, the downshifts are crazy, bro.
Lemon car.
Lemon title, baby.
Vina knows about that?
I think so.
Vina, you know my car is lemon title?
Why the fuck do you have that?
He just never told anyone. Don't tell anyone.
No wonder it's a fucking stupid car.
Those are no wonder it's a stupid car.
It's not a stupid car.
Bro, his tires are literally like hockey pucks. Oh
How
my
far
god.
is it?
5 minutes. Bro, look how tall this truck is.
Hold on, I'm ordering Fresca.
What is that?
It's from HEB, bro. I'll get you addicted to it. It's water, but it's so good.
Is it some kind of bougie water or what?
It's not. It's like flavored water, but it's like there's no preservatives, nothing, 0 calories, nothing. It's great. I'll give you some one day.
Why not today?
I don't have it.
Bro, that's messed up. You're talking about ordering it, but you don't want to give me one right now?
Vina, you gotta try this candy we bought.
Yeah, you have to try it. We saved you some.
We just tried one and we just got that, right?
Yeah, they're so fire.
The guys goes, I never tried it.
Yeah.
You know what this guy said?
DJ Vinny has made a return.
I lied to Sai. I was like, hey, I'm going for wedding.
Okay, why did you say that?
He's always lying, bro. He's a liar.
Because
Why'd you lie?
¿Qué onda, papi? Look, we got hot pot.
Hey, Derek.
Are you guys done with your menu?
Yeah. Thank you.
Derek, I forgot.
I'll break the bottle.
Hey, you give me $100 for
No.
I'll pour it in your papa.
You'll get drunk.
I'll pour it in your papa.
For real, I drink it.
You drink your papa?
And that is fire.
Hey, use this.
I know.
Yeah, but you know if you do it, like if you put alcohol in your hair, it'll be crazy.
कोई नहीं, alcohol burn to that.
Back like halfway, if we can just get it removed and whatever is there, just take it out.
God damn, bro. Chill.
Yeah.
Take your glass. No, what you want?
Same leg. That looks so good.
Yeah. Hot pot, baby. Look at that. Hey. Yeah. Hey, mami saki.
Poncho pari kya na maa chuda. Oh my god. That's just funny. Yo.
Are you okay? Peace out, bro. Peace out.
baby.
Aku bumper na ano kay Trump.
Hey, stop.
Really? I'm trying to give you a hug, bro.
Don't give me a hug.
Alright, yo, drive safe.
Yeah, peace. God damn. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.
Turn the Chanel store to a hang. Got the bitch massage me. Turn my energy, no one can. We do this for that, she need massage. She ready to get you, no one can. I'm throwing up a fit, mid massage. Cut this shit up like a shit. 100 up the solo, I'm mid massage. The king of the girl, you know one can.